and new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it,
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it, you.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Dsoar Hair. Shout out to you, Dsoar, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it, and I hope I'm saying the name right because you guys know I will mess up a name, but you guys see the name in the title. Okay, so the unit that they sent me is their Peruvian Deep Wave 5x5 HD Lace Wig. I have it in 16 inches and it is 150% density and a medium cap size. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on the site and see if I can find any extra descriptions about this unit. Okay, so on their site it says Dsoar Hair Deep Wave Real Human Hair 5x5 HD Lace Closure 150 Density Wig on sale. Okay, so this unit does come in a small, medium, or large. I am personally an average or slash medium cap size, so the unit fits me perfectly, but since they do give you guys the option, I would suggest you get whatever size you actually wear. You can get this unit in Brazilian, Malaysian, Peruvian, or Indian. So I did choose Peruvian, but they give you the option of all four. And then it is available in 16 to 26 inches, and I of course have the 16. Oh, and it also says that this unit comes in a natural color. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details about this unit. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it is, as stated, a 5x5 closure. You guys know I love a good closure. The only issue I have with closures is like sometimes cutting that little extra part on the side. And I've had people ask me, are you supposed to cut that off? Yes, you are, but you have to be kind of careful because you can end up like me and, you know, showing a little welt right there. So just be careful with that, and it's kind of hard to do like deep side parts with closures. In my opinion, I'll wear a side part, but I feel like they look best with a middle part because it's easier to cover up that little side and you won't have have to be a little self-conscious about it. Now, honey, normally I don't care. On camera, I can get a little self-conscious because y'all be clocking your girl, okay? But in the real world out there, ain't nobody saying nothing to me, okay? So it just depends on you. I know some people, that is their biggest issue with closures. I just want to throw it out there. Just kind of be careful when you cut in there because it can be an issue. This unit does go all the way back here. You saw me apply some product. I did use my Magic Gray Hair dye stick because I did bleach the knots, and I bleached them to the point where I had bleached the hair, okay? So I'm just gonna keep it a whole boat with you. Ain't nobody's professional, and I'm just now getting, you know, really into bleaching knots. So yeah, I ended up bleaching the hair, so you can kind of see it in spots. So I just used that to basically cover up, you know, the areas that I did that with, and it's just like an easy sort of fix for me. As far as shedding and tangling, I do want to mention that this unit did shed some. It wasn't excessive, but I like to throw that out there so you guys can't come for your girl later on. So, she said it didn't shed. I'm telling you, boo, she shed some. Now, as far as tangles, this unit was not tangly whatsoever, which I found odd for it to be a deep wave unit because I usually expect a little bit of tangling, but this unit did not tangle whatsoever. So shout out to you, Dsoar, for that, okay? And yeah, that is pretty much it for the details and specs. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons with this unit as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so my only con with this wig is this little area right here. I don't know if I can fix it and make it, you know, kind of cover it up, but that is literally my only con with this wig. It's not a huge con for me, but I know that it can be for certain people. So yeah, that is my con. I don't feel like it's as bad on this side, but you have to be just really, really careful when you're dealing with these closure units. So that would be my con with this wig. Now, as far as the pros, I love the texture of this unit. I love how easy it was to tweeze and how easy it was to bleach the knots. Child, it was a little too easy to bleach the knots, girl, okay? I bleached the hair. I also love the lace. I feel like it just kind of melted in. And I love the fact that you don't have to bleach the knots or tweeze this unit, even though I did both. You don't have to unless you want to. And even with the tweezing, I only did a little bit because to me it was already tweezed really, really nicely. I also love the density of this unit. It is 150% density, and she is definitely given 150% density. But I honestly don't mind it with this wig, and I love that they were honest about that. So those are my pros with this unit. Yes, I would recommend this wig. I feel like with units like this, I feel like they're great for beginners. I feel like they're great for people who are looking for a throw on and go. Closures don't take a whole lot, and neither does curly hair. So if you're somebody just looking for something that you can throw on and go, or you're looking for something where you're not really comfortable with lace wig shed and you know you're a little nervous, I feel like this unit would be perfect for you as well. So yes, I would recommend this unit. The only people I wouldn't recommend this unit to that are the people that are a little wary about like the welts on the side or whatever. Other than that, I would definitely recommend this wig. Alright, honey, so let's get into this 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it. And if you are feeling it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Dsoar Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Hell to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here.